Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best IKEA dining chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coavaz Kitchen Dining Chairs, set of 4. For a long-term service, this is the best set of dining chair that will serve you longer and better. This is due to the fact that the chair has been built using sturdy metal legs. The set of 4 chairs is appropriate for the small families. Other than this, the chairs feature fabric cushion that provides the ultimate comfort. In addition to this, the chairs are very comfortable and elegant. This provides modern sensibility just as expected. They are also wear-proof and dirt-proof chairs that you will find reliable. These dining seats are now available in different colors, hence you will always get the right color selection. Due to their elegant design, they will provide the best gift choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the Green Forest acrylic dining side chairs with metal legs. You always need to make sure that the dining chairs you are about to order are stable and sturdy. With this quality set of dining chairs, you will be offered durable and top-notch service. This is due to the fact that the chairs have strong metal legs for the ultimate service. Secondly, the chairs feature the casual elegance design, which makes them ideal for every dining room. They have got a transparent seat in color, which makes them attractive, hence an ideal selection for all users. Other than this, the dining chairs have been recommended by experts to the best choices for any dining hall. Since a set contains a total of 4 chairs, it can serve the whole family perfectly. At number 3, we have the IKEA Antique Satin Table and 4 Chairs, JOKKMOKK. This is another high-quality and elegant IKEA chair set that comes with a perfect table for the dining room. The 4 chairs will provide the best service for the whole family over years. The chairs are also in different colors, which you can easily choose from. With this, you will get the ideal color that will match the interior of your dining room. They are also simple to clean as you only need to wipe with clean clothes. The quality wood construction makes them highly durable and ideal for long-term service. These chairs are also very sturdy and strong, which makes them ideal for all users. Besides this, they feature the solid spine and natural material that will age beautifully. This is one perfect set of IKEA dining chairs you never want to miss. At number 2, we have the East West Furniture Kitchen Dining Chair. With this elegant and durable set of dining chairs, you will always enjoy reliable and convenient service. This is because the set provides you with 4 stable and durable chairs to serve for years. They are made using quality hardwood material, which will increase the lifespan of the chairs. Additionally, the chairs are also comfortable as they have cushioned seats that will provide added comfort. Besides the 4 chairs in the set, you also get a dining table that matches them perfectly. All the sets are very stable and strong due to the strong legs. They can easily be moved as they are lightweight seats that will serve you longer. The cost of these chairs is relatively lower and affordable. This is despite the quality construction. And finally at number 1, we have the IKEA wood set of 2 dining chairs. When you need a durable set of dining chairs that will serve longer, you should try out this set. With only 2 chairs in the set, you are assured of the best service and can serve couples perfectly and longer. They are built using the solid wood material, which makes them great for daily and durable use. Apart from this, the seats are also ideal for home use as they have been tested and approved to meet the requirements of the safety and durability. In addition to this, the 2 dining seats are comfortable and with the sophisticated designs, they will assure you of top-notch services. This is one quality dining set that you never want to miss. They are affordable and ideal selection for all users. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.